नमस्कार, गुड मॉर्निंग brothers, sisters, ladies and gentlemen, friends, doctors, officials, ministers. I, Dr. Rakesh from USA, welcome all. We are discussing today viral diseases. What are the viral diseases and what are the causes of viral disease and how to prevent these diseases? Mumps, caused by a type of paramyxovirus through direct contact with patient and saliva. It results in headache, backache, excess spoiling of saliva and taste buds, swelling in jaws and ears. Aspirin is given to relieve pain. Advised rest. Give alternate hot and cold pack to neck. Chickenpox, caused by varicella virus through direct contact with patient and indirect use of infected objects of patient. It brings fever, skin eruptions with red spots, vesicles and scab formation in about 36 hours. The scabs are not formed like smallpox. The disease can be prevented by isolation of patient and the use of zoster immune globulins. The patient should avoid scraping. Scraps be collected and burnt. The persons taking care should boil and clean the articles used by patient. What is trachoma? It is inflammatory disease of the eyes. The infection results in swelling of eyelids, discomfort and discharge of fluids from eyes. It is caused due to direct contact of tears from patient or indirect contact of towels, pillows, handkerchief of patients. The antibiotics are commonly used to cure the disease. What is rabies? Hydrophobia. It is caused by street virus due to bite of the infected dogs, cats, etc. It damages central nervous system, causes severe pain, spasm of muscles in chest and choking of throat. Its treatment was discovered by Louis Pasteur in the form of vaccine given in 14 doses, one on each day in the abdomen. The vaccine is prepared from spinal cord of rabbit to produce antibodies in patient. Currently, only 7 infections are administered in limbs. Poliomyelitis. It is caused by enterovirus due to pollution of water and food. Spread by housefly. The disease damages nerves, many blood vessels, muscles and bones. Its first vaccine was prepared by John's Salk by killing poliovirus by formaldehyde. Now Sabine and co-workers have prepared oral polio vaccine consisting of living but attenuated virus. Attenuated virus. Next is severe disease, that is the AIDS. It is caused by leukemia virus HIV due to infection in human T cells. It spreads through intravenous drug users. Use of infected blood for transfusion. Immoral sex among persons infected with virus. The ill effects includes loss of weight, fever of unknown origin, brain tumor, amorphous or bleeding and swelling of lymph glands, mouth ulcer or even death. Certain medicines are being used now to delay or avoid death. Dengue fever. What is flavidy reviving or revivirus disease spread by Aedes mosquitoes. The virus of dengue fever, first isolated by R.W. Ross from India in 1953. This fever develops its own lifelong immunity. It causes nausea, vomiting, bleeding from nose and gums, body aches and joint pains. Use mosquito breeding grounds and wear long sleeved shirts and long trousers to prevent mosquito bites. The repellents containing DEET, picaridin and oil of lemon, eucalyptus or para-menthin are useful. Do not spray the repellent on skin under your clothing. Use lukewarm water and fruit juice for relief. What is chikungunya? It is Toga viridec alpha virus disease with similar source of infector and symptoms as dengue fever. It was first reported from Tanzania but now prevalent in many tropical areas. The fever remains effective for 3 to 7 weeks. Joint pain in severe which lasts for a few months. Proper help should be received from doctor for care of dengue and chikungunya. Resistance from diseases. Immunity is the ability to abstain, withstand and oppose the disease causing organisms. Means pathogens, and their toxic products means poisons in the host. The study of immune system is referred to immunology. Antigen are the wrong substances when introduced into the body of host, excite or stimulate the production of antibodies. Antigens are generally proteins, but a few may be carbohydrates, lipids or nucleic acids. Antibodies are proteins in the form of immune globulins, which are produced by B lymphocytes and plasma cells. The antibodies get generated by mature plasma cells at very fast rate, that is about 2000 molecules per minute. The immune globulins are grouped in 5 isotypes, namely IgA, IgD, IgE, IgZ and IgM. They differ from each other in size,